Good morning everyone, welcome to Baseful Custom. Today we've got Mercedes SL63. A customer request was to install the front and rear camera to his original screen. After, when you select your reverse gear, you've got your image with active lines, and automatically when you put to your drive mode you will see the front image. The front image will be displaying between 5 and 20 seconds. We can set that up for you, and then it's come back to the original screen. As when you drive, you can select option to see the front image, and that will stay as long as you like till you switch that off. So Mercedes SL 2013, many places was saying that cannot be done. Baseful Custom, yes we can. Any more question, call our office. Thank you, bye bye.